What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I released a video last, but we are heading over to the SummerSlam event presented by RRLRC at Insanity Raceway in Boonton, New Jersey. And if you guys saw the little sneak peek on the last video, I didn't really say much about it, but yes, we are indeed trying a little something different. This thing has been taking an absolute beating so far, and did us really well on the last one. And yeah, hopefully we can have the same result in this one. So kick back, relax, enjoy the video, and we'll be right back. What is going on, everybody? We are out here at Insanity for the SummerSlam event. So we got the cars ready, got the trailer out here, and get some race content for you guys that I know some of you have been asking for. So sit back, relax. It's just me and Huff here today. So we're gonna see how much footage we can really get, but I did remember to bring the GoPro for the main, so stay tuned for that and enjoy the show. One more main to go. Woo! Little rain delay trying to dry up this back corner. It is coming down. And Hoof's over there still working on the bench. Oh my God. And just like that, everybody, we are back. And yeah, really like the new car. As far as buggy was concerned, yeah, luckily I was able to TQ, and it's been a while since I did that, so really awesome. TQ'd it, and then in natural Aaron fashion, I unfortunately made way too many mistakes in the main, and got hung up on a couple pieces of pipe in the corners, and it was over for me pretty early on. But really stoked with the car. I absolutely loved it. Nothing, no vehicle issues at all. It just kept on trucking every time I made a mistake or something like that. So it was really good to not break anything, and really loved it. We had, obviously the video abruptly ended near the end there with the rain delay and everything. We did get the four-wheel drive short course out. I think I finished 4th, right out of the top 3, something like that. And unfortunately, the GoPro that I put on wasn't working. So I don't know what the hell happened. The thing's brand new. But we did have several issues with the GoPro. And yeah, so had no one to film that main. So sorry guys, no short course action in this video. But what we can take from it is we had an awesome time at the track. Awesome time with the new car. And we'll see if we can start dialing some more stuff in. I mean, we were pretty rushed on it, and I'm excited to actually put some time into R&D and getting it all set up. And yeah, just really looking forward to getting through the fall time here, and hopefully seeing you guys on track in 2025. So appreciate all of you. Make sure you like, sub, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.